You will be shocked with the recipe I used to produce this Molato Extreme Whitening Body Oil. 5-shade whitening is a must. Hello, beautiful. This is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified when Mommy Kira upload an amazing video. Like and share my video. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Also follow me on my logistic page, my new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL, through cargo. We also generate tracking number for you to track your goods. We're super fast and super affordable. Okay, whether you're buying product for Mommy Kira, whether you're not buying product for Mommy Kira, let Mommy Kira ship for you. We are the #1, the champion. And our rates are very, very affordable. Okay, we're based in Lagos, Nigeria here. Okay, yes, you can also shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. My product is there, my Snow White product is there. It's very lit. That is what I'm using. Okay, my 𝐓𝐾s, our porcelain, our instant white, our Latino, our porcelain is there. Okay, my skincare product is on my website. Okay, also we sell original branded products and very affordable. Okay, you can go to my website and place order. Then you chatting me on WhatsApp, Mommy Kira, how much is this one, how much is this one? If you don't know how to shop on the website, just send me a message on WhatsApp. My number is on the screen. Chat me up. I'll send you a short video on how to shop on my website very well. You don't need to be chatting me and be asking me of prices anymore. Most of the prices are on the website. Okay, you can chat me and so that I can guide you. Fine. Okay, we'll go to the website and shop. I love you people so much. God bless you. Okay, today we'll be talking about how to make Molato Extreme Whitening Body Oil. This oil will give you 5 shades. Okay, but if you are fair in complexion, it can go up to 7 to 10 shades. But if you are caramel skin tone and you're using this Molato Extreme Whitening Body Oil, okay, it will give you this amazing skin complexion you desire. Okay, you can go to the website and buy. If you don't want to produce it yourself, you can go to my website and get this Molato Extreme Whitening Body Oil. This oil is amazing. For lovers of body oil, please get this oil or watch this video to the end so that you can see the way I make it. Okay, please stick around. Let's start producing. I'm making this for a client, this Molato Extreme Whitening Body Oil. I say let me film it so that you guys can see how I make it. Okay, this is my clean sterilized bowl. Okay, and this is my scale. Okay, yes. Okay, this is what we're using first. Okay, this is our Secret White Strong Whitening Body Oil. This oil is amazing. This oil is super whitening. You can use it for anything. Okay, you can use this Secret White Strong Whitening oil on your lotion, your body cream, your face cream, your shower bath, your Molato soap, your 𝐓𝐾 soap, your instant white soap, your Molato, anything. You can use this Secret White whitening strong oil. This oil is very strong and very, very safe on the skin. From next month, okay, will be it will be coming in small bottles for those of you that cannot buy 500 ml 1 liter, because this 500 ml is the smallest size for now. You know, they produce it for only formulators, people that can produce in a big form. Okay, from next month it will be coming in small bottles. Then you can buy, you know, it will be very, very affordable. Then you can see like 4,000 naira for those small bottles, those bottles. Okay, but for now we sell in 500 ml, we sell in 1 liter, and we sell in 2.5 liters. Okay, but from next month you'll be seeing in small bottle that 125 ml you can buy. Okay, it's very, very active and very good. Okay, this is what we're going to use, this oil. Okay, you can just use this oil, mix 1 or 2 oil and sell it and give it to your customer. If they work, if they show, you understand. But I'm going to show you guys how to make this Molato Extreme Whitening Body oil. Okay, you can see it. This thing is very strong. If you are here, you will really perceive it. Okay, you can see it. Next, we'll be putting this kojic sand inside. Okay, but if you don't want to use this kojic sand serum, you have kojic deep powder. You can put it inside. Okay, if you don't have kojic sand, and you can dissolve the kojic deep powder and put inside if you don't want to use this kojic sand. But this kojic sand is very, very okay. The next recipe is this 𝐵𝐷𝐘𝐒 oil. Is super amazing. Okay, this is small but mighty. It's very, very affordable, you understand me, but it dey work, you understand me. I like using it, you understand. Look at it, this 𝐵𝐷𝐘𝐒. You can see. Next, we're going to use this. This is body white. People that knows this oil know what Mommy Kira is doing right now. This body white oil is super. It dey work. It work very, very well. Look at it. This body white oil. Good. Okay, next we're putting this glutathione terminal oil. This is glutathione terminal serum. This glutathione terminal serum is super amazing. Okay, I like this serum. Is very good. People that have used it, they understand it. It has this soft effect on the skin, and it also contains glutathione. That is the primary ingredient in this serum. Okay. I don't want this video to be long, guys. If you watch up to this part, please like my video. You guys know Mommy Kira, I drop amazing banger recipe. Okay, when you use it, you will come back and thank me. But the only thing is that most people come to my channel just to get recipe. They don't watch review. Guys, if you understand this game, you will watch review, because review is more important. You will know more about all these products, not just to miss. Try and watch my review, and you see how this product works. Okay, turn on your post notification so that when I drop amazing video, you're going to be notified. Okay, this is quick clear body serum. This serum, people that knows me know that I use this serum a lot. It's very good and it's very affordable. This quick clear serum, okay, it clears dark spots. Now be work. This is Kirasecret Skincare, guys. Worry no more. Okay, our Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, our Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and our Secret White Strong Whitening Oil is now available in liters. Okay, if you are a distributor, you have money to do business with Mommy Kira. Okay, please combine with us, join with us. Let's do business. This is a lucrative business that will give you more profit. Okay, we need so many distributors across the country. We need distributor in US, we need in Canada, we need in Mali, we need in Angola, we need in Ghana, we need in France, Italy, Europe. Yes, guys, immediately you become our distributors, we're going to put your number so that anybody that wants to buy in your country, we'll give them your number and they will contact you directly and buy from you. Okay, it's super amazing. This is 2.5 liters. We sell from 2.5 liters, 5 liters, and 10 liters. These are amazing. If you're a formulator and you are formulating, your production is not working, please get our Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil to produce. You can't use this directly on your skin. You can't use this directly on your skin. It's super strong and active. You have to dilute it with your production. Okay, try it out and thank Mommy Kira. You know, we are the number one, the champion. Please, if you're a distributor, you want to endeavor in a very lucrative business, chat us up. Let's do business together. It does not whiten the skin. It's like a treatment oil. Your body will write whiten. It does not whiten. This thing, it clear all those dark spots where they body. It fade it away gradually. It's not magical. Don't think if you buy it, if you put it, no, it go fade. No, it's a gradual process. Mommy Kira don't deceive people. I tell you the way it be. You understand me? Guys, if you watch up to this part, please subscribe, like my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Okay, I love you guys. The more you subscribe, the more you comment, YouTube will post my video more for you guys to see. Okay, this is the papaya oil. This papaya oil is good because we've added a lot of whitening stuff in here. We need a very good moisturizing, brightening oil. Okay, that is the papaya oil. That is why I got this papaya oil. Okay, if you want to get papaya oil, you can go to my website. It's there. Okay, it's very good. As it whitens the skin, it will also moisturize the skin for it not to be too dry. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Okay, soon my sunburn class will be coming up. Okay, and this is optional. Okay, this is optional. This Carotone BSC serum, this is optional. This clear fade and clears dark spot. That is why I put in this one. That is why I put in this quick clear. They do the same job. Okay, but if you have a lot of dark spot on your body, you can put this. Okay, you can put this. This oil will whiten your skin. See, just get a very good scrub. Go and get our instant white face and body scrub or our after scrub. Use this scrub, then use this oil. You go understand. If you want to come and white very well, then get our Snow White super whitening soap. Try. You understand the game. You understand me. Get a very good soap, because when you have a very good soap with a super whitening oil, it will work. Okay, if you have that dark spot and it's much, you can add this, but I'm not putting. My client does not have dark spot on her skin. Okay, we're going to stir it. You can see it. You can see. Okay, then there's no artificial coloring here. You can see how amazing it is. Okay, very strong. Okay, then the next we'll put, okay, if you want the oil to really whiten your skin, like if your skin is so stubborn and tough, then you can add lactic acid. But if your client's skin is not tough like that, forget the lactic acid. But this my customer skin is very tough. Okay, I'm just putting little of the lactic acid. Okay, but if your client is just, her skin is just normal, please skip this lactic acid. You can see I'm showing you guys everything. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. You guys should please try and watch most of my reviews and like it. Not only how to make una dey watch, make una sef dey watch review, so that we'll talk about some amazing products and their effects. Okay, we're putting glycerin. Also, this will also moisturize the skin. Okay, this will also moisturize the skin. What glycerin does is also what propylene glycol do. Okay, if you don't have glycerin, you can put propylene glycol. Okay, we don't need to put that one. I've already added. I don't need to add the propylene glycol. I've already added the glycerin. You can see it. Yeah, you can see how it is. If you like, you can stick blend it. Okay, we are done. Okay, put it inside this bowl. Okay, you can see it. See how the color is. Okay. Oh man, it's beautiful. Okay, look at it. You can see how amazing it is. This is super whitening. My hand is slippery because of the glove.